In one of my previous vlogs, I talked about getting my life together, resetting, simplifying, and just being more intentional overall. One of the biggest parts of that for me has been reorganizing my little sanctuary, aka my room. It's not aesthetic, it's not a full makeover, I just wanted everything to finally have its own place. This isn't one of those Pinterest perfect transformations. I just needed my room to make sense again, so I cleaned, decluttered, and organized everything to work better for me. Here's how it went. Quick update, so mga 3.5 hours din ako naglinis kaninang hapon, which is a big progress. Although meron pang mga parts ng room ko yung aayusin ko tomorrow. That includes yung mini vanity area ko, yung ilalim ng kama ko, and itong magulo na to. So tomorrow ko na yan gagawin. For today, magpapahinga ako, and hopefully tomorrow morning matapos ko na lahat. Oh no. Bukbok. This is how I found out that I have tons of journals that I never got to use. So these are all empty notebooks. And I just bought one last month, I think. So for this area, wala akong masyadong babaguhin. I-arrange ko lang siya kasi inayos ko na yun dati at tatanggalan ko na lang ng alikabok, ganarn. Sakit na ng likod ko. I've decided na itong mga to, ayan, since most of these are clothes, I'm just gonna allot a different day. Mag-open tayo ng parcel. Patalastas muna. Easy. Look how pretty. Fairness, ang syala ng packaging. This is the Gelée lip tint in the shade Coquette. I know this is organizing my room video, but this could be my new everyday favorite. After hours of decluttering and organizing, here is how the room looks now. Nothing fancy or aesthetic, but it finally feels lighter and so much more functional. And we're done. Ang sakit sa likod. 2 days ko din siyang chinaga. Actually, hindi naman 2 days. Mga per day, 3.5 hours. So, that's like 7 hours of work. And I'm so happy kasi, ayan, lalo na tong part na to, dito, ang dami kong naging kalat dyan dati. So, ngayon, mas maluwag na siyang tingnan. Ito lang, medyo magulo tong part na to. Pero masaya ako kasi binili ko tong mga organizers ng bag. So, naka-display na siya dyan. Although parang ang gulo-gulo tingnan, lalo na tong part na to. Sorry. So, this is not an aesthetic room vlog, but I'm just, you know, I became practical with my space kasi super dami kong kalat. Madami rin ako natanggal ng mga basura dito sa kwarto ko. Mga kahon-kahon. But, yeah, every space has their own purpose. Andito lahat ng makeup ko, lahat ng mga pangkulot ko, etc. nandun. But, I made another one na mas madaling i-access, which is itong part na to. Andito lahat ng hair dryer. Wow, di ba? Organized. Hindi talaga siya organized, lalo na dyan. Kasi, kapag inayos ko yan ng talagang deep na ayos, pag hiwalwalain ko yung mga documents. So, kasi may mga documents ako dyan. And then, art materials, mga books na hindi ko na talaga kinalaw masyado. Dininisan ko na lang. And yan. Happy naman ako sa kinalabasan kasi magkakasama na sila. Nilagay ko yung tong plant na to. Fake plant. Wala lang. Binili ko lang siya nung isang araw. Sabi ko parang okay siya. Ilagay. Tapos, ito pala, kasama siya nun. Bumili ako nung fake na paso. But yung bulaklak, ginamit ko yan dati sa cake nung lola ko. May mga natira. So, ginawa ko na lang. Parang decorate ko yan dyan. So, pala, binili ko din tong basket na to. Ayan. Yung basket na yon from the same store na pinagbilhan ko nito. Alam niyo yung mga store ng mga Chinese sa mga probinsya. Doon ko lang siya nabili. And ang cute naman. Nilagyan siya ng mga stuffed toys ko. Pinakauna ko talagang natapos pala na spot is this one. Ang mga naalagay ko na, or na-add ko dito is ito. Lagyan ko siya ng hook. Then sinapit ko dyan yung painting na yan. Then ito rin. Surprisingly, very sturdy naman siya. Hinang ko dun yung aking study lamp. So, ayun. This is not an aesthetic room reorganization that you usually see on YouTube. But, happy naman ako sa kinalabasan. At least everything has their own space. And alam ko kung saan ko kukunin yung mga gamit ko. And hindi na siya kalat-kalat. Medyo. May mga magugulong parts na lang. But, I'm gonna work on that slowly and per area really soon. So yes, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I am trying to upload videos every Monday. I've been consistent for 3 weeks now. This is my 3rd week of uploading. So if my contents interest you, please consider subscribing, like, and share to my YouTube channel. So this is Angelo Aquino. Thank you so much for watching again. See you next week.